Okay, hello. This will be the US session, 21st of August 2024. I am tired. I don't know how much I'm going to trade this session, but for some reason I've been sitting at my computer and feeling like falling asleep. We got about a minute and 40 seconds before market open. I'm going to close that quickly. For some reason the chart feels very like stuttery. That feels a bit better. Okay. It's quite a bar. Sheesh. It's not even the open bar. What's causing that, I wonder? Right, 10 seconds. Now it's pulled all the way back. Very weird. And market's open. Gonna be watching the NASDAQ at a few levels here. What I want to do is wow. Don't think it'll get down to here, but I just want to try. See. Get a quick scalp out of that. Heaven's above. $721. 694. I wonder if I shouldn't just bring that. Right around the 700 area. Maybe slightly down. Just slightly. Not sure it'll get down to this level, but just if it does, I would imagine there'd be a few buy orders down here, so I would look for a quick scalp just as a first touch on this level. That's assuming it gets down here. Kind of the same thing here. So on the 2000, one would look for a bar just under here. So if we look on a 30-minute, perhaps even a 1 hour. I look for a bar just under here. That's at 2,149. So I'd say about 48, 48.6 or so. Know if we'll get down there. That again will be just like a one first touch quick scalp long. I don't think the NASDAQ will get all the way down. But again, it's a case of assuming that there are bar orders underneath these lows. Right, so first bar was negative on the NASDAQ. Cancel that order. Oof. Okay. May want to bar that. Want to bar the DOW here. Just wanted to push a little bit further. A little bit more. Buying the DOW here for a quick scalp. 2.5 points. Could have held on to that a bit longer actually. I'll buy it here again. So just quick scalps there. Barely made anything. In fact, we made nothing. Well, that sucks. I want to see another push down. I'm going to buy it there. So just some quick scalps to warm up a little bit. Basically just buying the lows. We're going to have our setup start coming through soon. It's more of the move that I wanted to see. But anyway, just a few quick scalps to get the blood rushing a little bit. And now we made nothing there. That sucks. But yeah, we could have held on to that a little bit longer, is what it is. Alright, so this is our setup bar that's starting now. So we missed we missed a fair amount of points there. If we weren't looking to scalp and we held it. Could have actually called it a day after that. Anywho. Well, so. Okay, so we've got a little bit of positivity here in the NAS. So I'm chewing on my pen. Okay, here come our signals. Doof doof doof. Right. Which way are we going? Suppose we need to set it up on both sides. Is there a range here again? Don't know if I'm crazy about that. Looks like I was gonna say we might be taken long, and then turns out no. I mean, the Dow looks like it wants to. Never mind. Set up the short side as well, I suppose. Let's see which way we get taken first. But this looks like it's a tap you in and range. Slap you around basically. Okay, I think we're in here. Yeah, we are. Alright, so we're long on the Dow. Oh, please don't tell me short on the NAS. Alright, so long on the Dow, and it doesn't look too good. We're already 24 points underwater. Nasdaq hasn't decided yet. God, that just touched us in, didn't it? Like, literally just touched us in. Okay, well, now we wait. But so far, not so good. Nasdaq, nothing yet. It looks like we're going to be taken long as well. Let's see. No, just not. Just not. Oh, there's a nice little push out of the Dow. And start looking at managing this boykie. Reduce some risk. Come on, push. I'm gonna get you to break even. Kind of happy with the 13 points. Thank you. Bye-bye. This is going to be a short session tonight. Let's see if the NAS gets us in. It's 12.8. Still got the school run to come. Okay, so we are in on the NASDAQ. We can already break even. Break even it is. No. Go on. Push a little bit higher. Come on. You can do it. Go on, NAS. No, break even. Okay, that's cool. Fine with that. That looked like it was going to go miles. That may still. Is somebody watching? Because it says average view duration is 32 minutes, but doesn't show that there's any viewers. If anybody is watching, type hello in the chat. Ah, okay. And now I'll see. Okay, so that's quite a bit of risk for the school run. I suppose 38, not too bad. And on the DOW, about 57. So a fair amount more on the DOW, but yeah. Alright, so there's the school run. And we're already in on the NAS. And we already break even. And I will take the 16 points. Hello? What happened there? Oh, I know what I did. Stupid. That was... Oh, that wasn't clever. That was the stop loss that I... Yeah, that was my bad. Okay, so we saw 10 points on that. Wow, what a break on both. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. It's gone the other way. Ugh. Hmm. Yeah, that's a rangy boy. I don't know if I'm gonna fall for that one because that literally looks like it's gonna take me in short and then go back in the opposite direction. NAS is looking good. It's too bad I closed that, but I'm not looking to be in it for very long today. I had it at break even and decided 10 points was good enough. Okay, let's see. Yes, that's going to tip you in and then potentially go the other way. No? Yes? Yes. So that stuff messed you up on the long side. Hmm. Strange because it's looking like it might actually break down further. Yeah, it is. Wow. Okay. Heavens to Betsy. I don't know. This is smelling like a range to me. I mean, we could test yesterday's lows. So, bit of a weird one. I don't know if I trust it. NAS, we should have stayed in. That's Steven barking outside. Well, shit. There we go. So that's almost 30 points on the short side. Wowee. Okay. That's why you can't have a bias. You gotta switch from long to short, from short to long, pretty much on a dime. I wonder if anybody else is trading today. Oh, there's a gentleman who's trading. Let's see how he's doing. He is not doing well. He is down $300. Ouchie. Okay. I hope you come right, buddy. Okay, so there's quite a bit of a pullback there as well in the NAS. And the Dow's doing all sorts of funny stuff. Let's see a test of these lows. And if I'm honest, if we do get down there, I'd look to buy it. Just off of that support. Wow. Okay. So looking strong in the NAS and looking weak in the Dow. Well, not really looking weak, but it's in this range. Which makes me want to, like I say, buy it at the 750 level, or perhaps just underneath. If it does get down there, sure we can take those lines off now. There's testing the 830 area. Huh. Interesting to see if we break this level. Okay. I mean, at the most we were seeing 23 points on the school run side. So typically after 15 or 20 points, if you'd moved your stop to break even, you would now have been stopped out for break even. Good grief. Is that something I want to do? It is not. Okay, but I've still got a sell order there, so if I get tapped in here, it's going to be slightly annoying. Should I close it? Or let it rip? It's that I'm worried about. Because that fell very, very quickly. Goodness gracious. I close that out. Oh my gosh. Give it a little bit of room. If it really wants to go, it'll go. Oh, this is the area where I actually wanted to look at buying the DOW. Mm, can't believe how quickly that fell. It's pulling back quite a lot. It's supposed to be trading long this session. Yeah, so it would have just tipped us in there if I hadn't have given it a bit of room to breathe, and now we would be crying our eyes out. What do we think, everybody? Is it gonna fall? It's testing yesterday's lows. Does it test Monday's low? That's the question. I can't believe how that dropped. That is insane. So we basically just touched those highs, and there must have been a fair amount of sellers there. Damn it! So I wanted this to get a little bit further down and then buy it, but it looks as if I may have missed that. That's already 50 points. It would have been. Gosh darn it! How's the NAS going to run long again? Oh my goodness. Yeah, so that's a that's a heartbreaker today. It took you long, it stopped you out for break even, then it took you short and it stopped you out for a full loss. Now it's taking you long again. That would have been tickets. Ah, look at that. Damn it. Just didn't get down to the level that I was hoping for it to. But they say close is close enough in trading. But yeah, I wanted it just to tip the lows here before retreating back up, but no such luck. We missed it. Okay. Now we just sit and wait. That's quite a serious retracement. So that's again from the lows, pulling back up into the range. So hopefully, if there was anybody else trading this strategy, they had taken profits at some point on this candle here, because in all likelihood you've been taken out for break even now on this retracement candle. So I hope you got something out of that. There's not much to say. Not much to say. Being slapped around in a up and down market. Up, down, up, down.
19,700. God, look at that. Heavens above. Right. Sorry, I'm just watching something. Hmm. So not much going on here. That would have been a good place to short. Didn't get above though. Wow. Where on earth did that come from? And again, it would have just tipped you in. Huh. Okay. I think we're just ranging. No, 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 no. What? Okay. Yeah, so this is just a range game. My god, look at that. uh, yeah, no, that's. This is one of those markets that are just going to chew you up and spit you out. Uh-uh. Okay. I don't think I'm going to be involved in this market anymore this evening. This is just chop. Um, yeah. I mean, this would have knocked you around senseless before it actually rallied. So, I mean, there's no ways you would have caught that like beforehand on the strategy anyway, because you would have been taken short twice and be stopped out for full risk on this and on this. And then on the long side, it would have taken you probably 20, 24 points before reversing on you. And if you hadn't placed your stop at break even, it would have stopped you out for a full stop loss position size there as well, before shooting back in your favor. So no, this is just a mess you around market, make you question why the hell you're doing what you're doing. So I don't think I'm going to be part of it. But that's basically the tally for today. 100% win rate. That means absolutely nothing. We did, however, manage to make 48 points on the day. They're not full points because in the DAX and in the DOW and in the NASDAQ I trade 50 cents a point. So it was only in the FTSE where we made 100% points. Okay, yeah, I think that's gonna do it for today. Yeah, this is just gonna mess everybody around, I think. I'm sure you can look for a potential continuation trade to the upside on the NAS if it does continue. The DOW is just pretty much ranging. If you had caught this move towards the lows and taken profit at a point, it would have been okay. Otherwise, you would have just been stopped out for break even. So, yeah, I think that'll about do it. I'm not gonna try and trade this chop, because that's just where you get lambasted, basically. Where's the NAS on an hour? Okay, so we've got we have got new highs for some time. We're on the daily. I mean, if you can find a place to get in long, maybe at a prior bar low. I mean, that's shooting now, and so is the DOW. But I mean, it's still pretty much ranging until we get a breakout. A proper breakout of these highs, break above and close above. But it would have been nice for 40 points, but again, it would have stuffed you around. The NASDAQ is, yeah, that's about a 90 point rally, that. So that would have been nice, but I mean, to have caught that, I would have been long and then short and then long and then short and basically gotten eaten. I would have been eaten within that exchange over here. And I swear I'm getting sick again. Gosh, it's been a hell of a winter. Whew. I've still got half an hour until the brunch break, but I don't think I'm going to stick around for that. I'm going to go make some hamburgers. I'm feeling tired. Okay, well, just looking at that is annoying me. So. Let me have a look at this on it. 10 minutes, nothing. 5 minute, nothing either. Okay. I'd like to have looked for a prior bar low to maybe get involved in, but I don't think that's going to happen. I'm not going to stick around to try and catch it. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna end it there. I'm hungry. I need to go make dinner. So yeah, back tomorrow for what is tomorrow? Thursday. Thursday. Okay, so EU session in the morning, US session in the evening. Just trying to think. No, okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna end it there. If anybody is watching, have a good evening, and maybe see you tomorrow. Okay, bye bye now.